掂埋啦，一班啊，1200準備，黃旗舉高。呢步嘅時候咧，見到隻幸運威龍咧就唔係話太快嘅，咁啊外邊咧較為快啲嘅，你見到係嗰隻輕烈喎，喺外檔咧仲有隻福星玫瑰一路 cut 緊埋嚟啦，仲有啲幸運威龍啊，後啲威多多都唔慢嘅喎，咁然後內檔咧有啲鴻運進區啊，先至拍住咧嗰啲咁啊裕豪名區啊，咁啊然後後啲嘅咧風情萬種啊，咁啊再後啲得咧富豪福星，咁喺後邊嗰幾隻咧就威皇英啦，同埋隻輕盈咧就褪咗落去咧，差唔多包尾噶啦，仲有隻周日美麗啊，最尾轉緊彎嘅時候呢隻幸運威龍啊，喳咁啊飛咗出嚟啦，咁隻福星回歸咧，而家咧就頂住個第二，咁啊後邊3個馬位跟住嘅咧，然後先見到隻威多多守住個第3喎，咁啊外邊咧有隻鴻運進區係擁緊上嚟噶啦，再外檔啲咧就風情萬種，然後咧中間上緊嚟咧仲有隻輕烈啊，喺前面度撳住江城嘅隻幸運威龍啊，好啦成紮馬一齊衝啦，隻福星回歸係冇乜掣噶啦，哇隻鴻運進區係越衝越勁啊！咁啊外檔湧上嚟嘅咧，仲有隻啊風情萬種，拉屎嗰兩步，福星回鴻運進區鬥風情萬種，風情萬種鴻運進區一隊，咁啊然後第3名咧先至係輕盈，第4名咧就係富豪福星。
81喺度啊，4號啦。
哇，81喎，
你又係咪8啊
？20倍 Q 啫喎。
又唔係好冷啫喎。
係啊，我都話隻8號唔係冷嘅啦，睇來睇去。
8贏喎，當然就係鴻運進區。
81。
第3名係3號嘅輕盈，第4名係姍姍來遲嘅
將隻幸運威龍斷咗喎，入到
企咗喺度，仲有100米。
佢點解唔騎咧入嚟直路啊？
前邊放得好輕鬆喎，仲係捉住啦，
係咯，
仲係捉住。
再睇睇佢。
到佢騎嘅時候就冇咯。
冇喎，隻馬好似擺一擺咁，我見到。
咁呢度都唔需要點樣騎住嘅，好啦，
最
後200，
一騎就冇啦，
一騎就富貴啦，
一騎就老抽，
係啦，
老抽啊！
鴻運進區就追到啦，已經，你睇嗰隻風情萬種幾鬼犀利先得啊！真。哦，隻3號喳喳聲上喎，仲整埋隻輕盈，輕唔得。8139，睇啦，睇就係咁啦。
贏咗噶啦。
13。
Q 又唔好分喎，Q 又唔算太好分，老實講啊。20倍 Q 啫。啊，打隻鏡啦，翻嚟仲有100米，分分姜見到何亞倫，但係真係冇嘅，騎落去打就撇喺度，馬一打右手邊都立有啦，中間手指上嚟幸運進區，
福星回歸一齊放散晒啊！
係咯，富豪福星前中段跟唔到啦，冇辦法啦，翻嚟第4，外檔第3呢就見到係輕盈嚟嘅。
邊個杜西奧攞着個靚檔呢下咁啊！
一條直路殺上嚟。
我嗰陣話摩加尼佢最尾先送隻馬出去噶啦，又唔走去買 Vin， 真係抵死。
分到噶啦，中間一隻
睇到啦，
上嚟咯，好勁啊，風情萬種。
硬字
有
啲硬字嘅。
啱啱就係咁噶啦嚇，當你計到呢邊準。
好啦，到西澳上一馬啦，影頭馬上啦，準備。
諗住嗰隻4號都贏緊噶啦，
幾輕鬆啊！入彎嗰時啊，哇，捉到實嘅咯喎，好早埋一欄喎，同啊。好啦，睇影頭馬上鏡頭先，我加你馬房起馬啦，考4場人2邊。
Handicap 1200 metres. Starter picks up the button. They're racing now, and favourite caught it okay. Luxand away quickly was El Moro. The favourite Luxand picks up the bit and strides forward to go with him and take the lead away now. In fact, off to third then was Scandic Master. Fourth the inside was the Lucky Steed. Then Turquoise Prophet, followed by My Pony, and then came drifting back behind them was Oriental Taste. He's about 8 off this leader. Followed then by, as they swing down the side, Regal Flame, and then came Swift Falcon. Turquoise Prophet is a long way back with Beautiful Sunday, strung out lot, 15 lengths top to bottom, and the favourite jogs up front, Luxand. A half length in advance, El Moro, Scandic Master to third, and then the Lucky Steed. Oriental's Taste is starting to make some ground, followed by Power Al Kafif, and then Regal Regal Flame, but under double wraps at the 250. Luxand strides away. He's 2 in advance of El Moro. Here's the Lucky Steed starting to run on strongly. Oriental Taste, he pops the question out of the favourite, and the Lucky Steed raced up and hit the front. Oriental Taste comes with him. Turquoise Prophet late. In front, the Lucky Steed. Oriental Taste dives late, and he might have got him. It's close.